All right. What's going on, guys? Trade recap. Oh my god. I know it says I'm down 300. I'll explain why later. But let's get right on to it. So we have 9:30. This time I did wake up. I was waiting for all this. So market open 9:30. Higher time frame. We have these 4-hour lows down here, as well as that's about it for the higher time frame. Then we have 1 hour buy side liquidity dropping down to the 15. That's kind of all we had. 5 minute, same thing. We had these lows down here. So my bias for today was pretty bullish since we had breaking structure to the upside on the 4-hour and the 1 hour before market open. So my bias was still bullish for the day. I was still seeking longs. So coming in market open, I just waited. Price just started dumping down as soon as market opened. So I was waiting. Then once I see price started taking out this sell side liquidity, go ahead and delete it. Took out the next one, go ahead and delete it. Took out the final one, and I believe this was the 5 minute one. Yeah, this is 5 minutes sell side liquidity area. So once it did that, I'd scale down to the 1 minute. And the only reason I did not enter off the breaker structure was because the risk would have been too much for me. It would have been way too much. It would have been like $400 to $500, which is not really in my area. Not really comfortable losing that much. I try to just minimize it to like $300 a day or less, depending on the setup. But on this one, I should just went with my gut, entered off of the breaker structure, and target these highs. But I didn't. My initial entry was down here at where it broke structure, but clearly price never came back and tapped me in. So that's kind of where I missed out. I missed out on this move, which would have gave me a beautiful 107. Would have been at least over a little bit over 1600, but I can't make more than 1600 since I'm still on the combine, and my max is the 50%. So it's 1500. You can't make more than that. But overall, this is a good lesson because next time I probably will risk the full 4 to 500 because it was literally little to no drawdown, and I could have easily, once it broke these highs right here, I could easily just broke even and just let it ride to my take profit. But that's just another lesson. We just live and learn. It actually came and took out this 1 hour buy side liquidity. So if I really wanted to, I could have held this even longer, all the way up here, which would have gave me a like 1 to 10. But obviously, I can't hold that much. I can't make too much. Oh, and then let me get into how the fuck I lost $300. All right. So after I saw basically, where is it at? I believe, yeah, okay. I believe it was like around here. Okay, yeah, it was these right here. These 5 minute highs. After I saw that get taken out, I scaled down to the 1 minute, which was right here. And then I'm like, okay, maybe I could take a little short, a little retracement, a little trade maybe. So we took out liquidity, broke structure to the downside right here. Broke structure to the downside, and boom, that was my entry. My entry was that. I only risked $300 on this, and I was targeting like this 1 minute low right here, but clearly got stopped out, lost 300 bucks. Oh, look at that, price is just dumping after it took out hourly highs, but it's all good. You live and learn. So next time, if I do see something like this, it was a very easy day to trade. I don't know why I didn't take it. Actually, I do know why. It was too much risk in my end, and I wasn't really comfortable with that. But now I know for future wise, if I see another setup like this, definitely worth the risk because it's a pretty high probability trade. Also, when this happened, I was on the 1 hour and giving me extra confirmation that it was going to continue pushing up was we failed to break structure to the downside. So this was just a big liquidity sweep, which gave me an extra confidence, extra confluence, I should say, that it was going to continue pushing up, which it did. Because on the 15 minute, we were pretty bearish, same as the 5. But the 4 hour and the 1 hour, we were still bullish. So, as always, higher time frame holds higher power. But I took this stupid ass little trade and lost 300. I should have just really just walked away after missing this one and just coming back tomorrow. But you live and learn. But anyways, that's it for today. We'll see what tomorrow brings us. Hopefully tomorrow we catch a banger to make the loss of the 300 plus a little bit more. But yeah, catch you guys later.